everyone! Today we're making a quick and easy vanilla cupcake slime. Stick with us to see how it comes together. We're starting off with a simple white soap slime. I'll leave a link to the video of how to make that in the description. To make this slime have a vanilla cake batter color, we're using our cute heart glitter toothpick to add a tiny amount of yellow gel food color. It might look too yellow now, but it won't when we're finished. Now we're adding some pink glitter to give our cake batter a textured look. I want this slime to feel silky smooth, so we're adding a little hand lotion and then some soft white clay. The white clay will also bring the yellow color down to make it the perfect vanilla cake color. I already love the way this looks and feels. To finish this cupcake off, we're putting our cake batter into a silicone cupcake mold. Finally, we're adding fake sprinkles and a rainbow cake charm. For a candle, we're going to add the same purple glitter heart toothpick we used earlier to add our food color. This looks adorable and good enough to eat. Yum! Let's mix it all up. If you thought this cupcake slime was cute, give us a thumbs up. If you love slime, please help us reach 6,000 subscribers. Subscribe for more slime how-tos and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new slime video. Don't forget to check us out on TikTok and Facebook.